came by bike and we are stuck in the rain. Applied a bit of concealer, eyeshadow, mascara.
Jenna, Jebu Tumwana.
Why are you following me?
Because I want to follow you.
Don't follow me.
Don't kill the dog.
Why would I care? I'm an animal lover. Don't you know?
Yeah, I know.
More than love, it's because of the fear.
Use the indicators.
Please. School today.
Good.
You have fun?
Yes.
What did you learn?
I learned I.
Kannada.
Yes.
And?
In Sarana book. Kannada Sarana book.
Oh, okay. You had fun?
What is
Yes.
it?
Did they teach you any song?
ಸೋಮವಾರ ಸೊಂಟ ನೋವು ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಮಂಡಿ ನೋವು ಬುಧವಾರ ಬುರುಡೆ ನೋವು ಗುರುವಾರ ಗಂಟ್ಲೆ ನೋವು ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಶನಿವಾರ ಆಶಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ನೆಗಡಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು. Very nice.
Hi, I am planning to do a shoot right now for Instagram, so I'm getting ready to shoot a couple of videos, styling videos on Instagram. If you're not following me already, please follow me there. So I've started a series of Pinterest inspired outfits. So if you are going to work, or you're a college student, or even if you're a stay-at-home mom and need styling ideas, you should follow me. You can learn about styling, dressing up, and other things, and also beauty videos, lipstick recommendations, makeup videos, so you can watch all that. Follow me on Instagram. So I'm just doing a simple makeup since it is a basic video about dressing up. So I'll catch you later. Hi, I quickly came here to show you the makeup that I did for the Instagram video today. So I've applied a bit of concealer, eyeshadow, mascara, blush, and an iris liner, pop of color on the lips. You watch my video on the Instagram. I'll also post it on Instagram. I'll also post it on YouTube Shorts, so you can subscribe to the channel to be updated with all my shorts and my upcoming vlogs. Drink your milk, Ethan.
I drank
Antibiotic milk?
Yes.
Turmeric milk?
Yes, turmeric milk.
How is it?
Very nice.
You don't like Boost anymore.
Any more boost is cancelled today.
Today it is cancelled.
Yes.
From tomorrow you'll drink Boost.
No, I don't like boost anymore today.
You don't like it?
Yes.
Where are you going?
We're going to Licious.
What? What is delicious? Delicious.
Afternoon they made itkin bele saru in our home, which I hate. So we are going to buy Licious chicken and make some curry for me so I can finish my dinner somehow.
Somehow.
Okay, let's go. We are here. We came by bike and we are stuck in the rain. Can you go get the car?
You know driving. You go.
It's raining! Wrong decision to come at this time. What are we going to make for dinner? We have the chicken.
Kundratur chicken.
Hmm?
Kundratur chicken.
Kuntratur.
Kundratur chicken. Or chicken vindaloo.
Chicken vindaloo is Tamil Nadu style.
It's a Goan style.
Goan style. When are we going to reach? When are we going to make? No, we are just
Midnight.
2 minutes away from our home, so we can reach in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, right? Just 2 minutes. That's why we took the bike. Otherwise, we would have taken the car. It stopped raining. We are going. It didn't stop. It's drizzling, so we thought we'll go, and again it started heavily. So we were talking why we don't take car is because of the parking issue. So everywhere we go, we have to find parking, go far away, come back walking. All that is a really difficult thing to do. So it's better if you're going somewhere close by, in India especially, take the bike and go. So there's no headache of parking and all of that. So
Kundratur chicken.
Kundratur chicken prepare sir.
Nade palak chapati. Inukku oru chapati podu. Oru chapati,
4 kg chicken.
1/4 kg chicken, lot of protein.
Taste பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் சொல்லுங்க புரியுது.
Okay.
நான் புது விதமா செஞ்சிருக்கேன்.
Okay. என்ன சிக்கன் பண்ண போறீங்க? Pepper chicken. How's the curry that I made?
Mama, for me.
You made that?
I made, yeah. How's it?
Curry she made. Very nice.
Nice?
What a taste.
How's the chicken curry I made, Ejin?
What a taste, Mama.
Thank you, baby. Who made the curry, Mama or Dada?
Party and the bakers and the cook and the chef.
Who's the chef?
Dada and Party.
Mama doesn't make.
Even you are also a chef.
Thank you, baby.
I am a customer.
How's it?
You are a luck girl.
It's a Nutell, how is it?
Mama.
It's very nice. Tasty.
Mama.
Amazing.
If the vehicle comes.
Oh my god, careful.
I'm taking him to sleep.
Yeah, it's night, so he has to sleep.
Night.
Alright, I'm done with the dinner. We all had a good meal tonight. Chicken curry was made by my husband. I didn't make it. I don't cook. I cook once in a while, but most of the times it's my mother-in-law and my husband who cook. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye.